Hi Taurans, welcome to your September 2020 reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so this may not resonate with all the Taurans out there. In that case, look at your moon and your rising on my channel. And the timing is fluid, roles can be reversed. So let's see what's coming up for Taurans for the month of September. So let me give these cards a little bit of shuffle. So, spirits, guides, angels for Taurans, please. Star, very nice. Strength for Taurans, please. Quite a few, quite a few. Okay, I'll take them. Let's see what I get. Very, very interesting cards here. Okay. So, Taurans, the first card that flew out of the deck was that of the Star. And here I am being guided that there is definitely something here in your life that is beckoning or welcoming a positive situation, a time of a more joyful time is coming on in your life. And I also feel that you are on the right path. I do remember sending this out in your August reading that you guys are trying to hold on to your past, but at the same time, there is this feeling to move on, go ahead, go forward. And I feel that with the card of the Star appearing here, you are making a conscious effort, because then you that's followed by the card of the Strength. So you are making effort here to move forward, and you are trying to release your past. It's all right. Everybody goes by at their own pace, whatever speed suits them the best. And I feel that you're somewhere trying to stand your ground here, and you want to send this message out there that it's not easy to deter a Tauran from his or her path. But I still want to tell you, this entire month I have been telling you, I mean, the previous month, the month of August, choose your battles carefully. And I am going to reiterate that fact, Taurans. No matter how much people, situations around you infuriate you, you've got to stop huffing and puffing. I'm definitely seeing a happier time ahead. So when I said that with the card of the Star appearing here, something good is coming in for you, some good fortune, some good times, good people. I'm definitely seeing happy times ahead, and you are making plans for future here. I feel that that this is a time in the month of September where better nurturing relationships may be possible, maybe possibly stepping into your life right now. And a lot of your emotional and material needs are being met. Let's go forward. We have the card of the Empress here, and I do not doubt any word I say here, because with the stag here in the background, I am seeing that the situation is walking towards you, but at a very slow pace. Nevertheless, it is happening. Something that had been stagnant or had been keeping you in that feeling of being stuck in the past few months is finally moving here. And this movement is a welcome respite from the energies you were facing in the month of March, is what I'm getting. And I'm also feeling that, the small little bits you put out in your prayers while you were sleeping or you were praying to God, that is the stag in the background. That is the positivity I'm seeing manifesting in your life here. It's so important to take care of yourself. You've got to nurture yourself. You've been dealing with a lot, Torrance. You've been dealing with a lot here, especially at the relationship front. For a lot of you, I see that things had not been smooth, and many changes were fated there. So yes, we have the card of healing is taking place for you. I told you, self-care is important. Healing is taking place for you at this time. And you will also receive the right kind of guidance coming to you from the right kind of people. We have the card of Eight of Swords. There's the Six of Wands. There's the Knight of Swords. And we have the Three of Wands. So I definitely feel that though you're not able to go forward, or you feel or sense this positivity in your environment right now, yet there is a way forward and it's appearing to you. It's right in front of you. Some of you may even be scared to go forward and take this up. However, I feel that it's only going to lead you to a path of victory. And there's also this strong feeling from the cards that something you do right now is going to set an example for people around you, or those who have been keeping an eye on you, and they may be taking your or quoting your life as an example to either themselves or learn from it, or to others. That's happening here. You're becoming an example or a role model to someone here. I also feel that someone new, someone really vibrant, um, maybe a little diplomatic, but very dynamic, coming towards you. Let's see more of this energy. Who? Okay, you're giving me so many cards today. Please give me one. I okay. Can I call myself Miss Butterfingers? You have the Two of Swords following the Knight of Swords, and there is the Three of Pentacles. Something which is not being revealed to you right now is definitely coming out in a very fruitful, very productive way. This could be at the place of work. For those of you who are not working, this could be someone around you in your vicinity, and either they could act like a mouthpiece to bring you information that will prove very beneficial in the coming few months. And when I say few months, I say probably around October, November, like that, this year. And but it's definitely being kept hidden from you. I also feel you need to be very cautious about your temper. I keep saying that because this person or these people who are coming into your life here right now, they could be driven away with your temperament, and that blessing that's supposed to happen in your life may get delayed. I am also getting the card of the listen. So when I'm telling you, listen to me, don't get angry, don't flare up, this is what you need to do. You have to be willing to listen if you want to really understand someone. Now is not the time to be offering advice, but to be a compassionate listener. To listen fully and intently means to pay attention, not to just what's being said, but to what lies beneath the words. So, Taurans, this is the card I'm getting for you with someone walking into your life. I don't attach gender to my cards. So, this could be feminine energy, it could be a masculine energy, it could be a man with a lot of feminine energy, intuitive abilities, it could be a lady with a lot of power, strength of character, a lot of other things, masculine energies. So I am being told to guide you to know that you need to listen here. The more you speak, or you try to exert pressure on the situation, or you try to give more of yourself in whatever emotion, that is going to deter this energy towards you. And yeah, it's stopping in its way. See, you could be putting an end to this positive situation. You could be putting an end to this, but so you got to be careful. But here we have the Three of Wands. You can definitely walk past this. You got to take care of your temperament. What other messages you have for Taurians? Please give me clearly, please show me clearly what messages you have for Taurians. Quite a few. Please give me just one. Please give me just one. I don't believe this. I really don't believe this. It's like the spirit side wants you to know so many things together. They just won't give me one card in any deck for you. They'll give me so many. I have one. So now we have Hello from Heaven. And this is a beautiful card for you, Taurus. Your loved ones in spirit world want to connect with you. As much as you want to connect with them, they know you've been thinking of them, and they're sending you signs and symbols to show you how much they love you, and to prove they're with you at this time. So in your times of need, in our times of need, when we so need that guidance from the other side, know that you're not alone. And here, something that I see on the cards is still underway, like you are about 50 to 70% ahead in this transition energy that I have been seeing for you for months, and where you were stuck because that was the beginning phase of this transition for you. You were quite ahead of your game. This is like 50 to 70% into further into that energy, and I feel in the coming times you're going definitely going to see a clearer or a smoother path taking shape in your life. So that's it for you guys. Thank you for watching me. Do not forget to subscribe to the